Welcome to this tutorial that demonstrates how reviewers get set up for reimbursement of expenses and Honoraria for the review-related services. The tutorial walks reviewers through the process of entering information in the Secure Payee Registration System, SPRS, so that they can receive their Honoraria and be reimbursed for expenses. Log into ERA Commons with your IAR account. Then click on the Personal Profile button on the landing page, or click on the Modules icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select Personal Profile from the menu. From an older screen, you click on the Personal Profile tab from the navigation bar. Any of these options will open the Personal Profile form. For reimbursement, NIH requires registration in the Secure Payee Registration System. You'll first need to enter or update your home address in the Personal Profile. Then move on to enter your personal information in SPRS. To enter or edit your home address, click on Edit in the Reviewer Information section. Enter or verify the current home address. For reviewers who live outside the U.S., this is the address where the check will be sent. For U.S. reviewers, this is the address where your tax documentation is sent. Remember, for U.S. reviewers, the check will be deposited directly in your bank once your banking information has been entered. Enter your street address, city, country, state, zip code, phone number, and email address. After you enter your information in the required fields, click on the Secure Payee Registration System link at the bottom of the screen. This link takes you to the SPRS registration screen. Fill out the required information and click Submit. Remember to log out of the SPRS screen. Once approved, the amount will be sent to you. If you do not have a U.S. bank account, click My permanent residence is outside the U.S. and I do not have a U.S. bank account. If your registration is approved, a check will be mailed to you to the home address you provided. A number of resources are available to you for more information about SPRS and IAR. Screen help is available by clicking on the question mark on the IAR screens. This concludes this video tutorial on how reviewers get set up for reimbursement of expenses and Honoraria for the review-related services. We very much appreciate your service as a reviewer. Thank you for watching.